In this video, I'll guide you through how to link or unlink your Steam account to an EA account. Whether you're connecting your accounts for the first time or removing an existing connection, the process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly where to find the necessary settings and how to complete the process securely. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head to the official EA website. Once you're there, navigate to the login page and sign in using the credentials for the EA account that you want to manage. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you have more than one, since this is the account that will be linked to or unlinked from Steam. After you've successfully signed in, you'll be taken to your EA account dashboard. From here, open your account profile, where you'll find various account management options. This section contains your personal information along with settings for connected platforms and services. Next, locate the Connected Accounts section. This is where EA displays all of the external accounts that are currently associated with your EA account. Scroll through the available connections until you find Steam. The status shown here will let you know whether your Steam account is already connected. If your Steam account isn't linked yet, simply click the link option next to Steam. You'll then be prompted to sign in with your Steam account. Enter your Steam account credentials when requested and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection. Once the process finishes, your Steam and EA accounts will be linked together. If you instead want to remove the connection, return to the same Connected Accounts section and locate Steam. This time, click the Unlink option. EA will display a confirmation message explaining what happens when you disconnect the accounts. Read through the information carefully, then check the box, confirming that you understand the consequences before clicking Unlink again. As an added security measure, EA will send a verification code to the email address associated with your account. Open your inbox, locate the email from EA, and copy the verification code provided. Return to the EA website, enter the code into the verification field, and click Submit. Once the code has been verified, the unlinking process will be completed successfully. And that's all there is to it. Whether you're linking your Steam account for easier access to EA games or unlinking it to manage your account differently, the process is quick and secure when you follow these steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped. Happy gaming, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.